Why learn mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and broadest engineering disciplines. It helps us solve real world problems through the design, analysis, and manufacturing of mechanical systems. By learning mechanical engineering, students gain problem solving skills, understand fundamental concepts, and explore innovations that drive industries like automotive, aerospace, energy, and healthcare. In this chapter, we will explore an introduction to mechanical engineering, its real life applications, career opportunities, fundamental concepts, problem solving skills, and the importance of innovation and creativity in this field. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and broadest branches of engineering. It involves the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. Mechanical engineers use principles of physics, mathematics, and material science to create and improve products and processes. Mechanical engineering impacts various industries and everyday life. For example, in the automotive industry, mechanical engineers design and develop vehicles. In the aerospace industry, they contribute to the design and manufacturing of aircraft and spacecraft. In the energy sector, they develop renewable energy sources and traditional energy systems. In healthcare, they design medical devices and equipment to improve patient care. A degree in mechanical engineering opens up a wide range of career opportunities. Mechanical engineers can work in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, energy, manufacturing, and healthcare. Common job titles include design engineer, manufacturing engineer, research and development engineer, project manager, and quality control engineer. Mechanical engineering is built on several fundamental concepts. Statics and dynamics involve the study of forces and motion in mechanical systems. Thermodynamics is the study of energy, heat, and work. Fluid mechanics focuses on the behavior of fluids, and materials science involves understanding materials and their properties. Mechanical engineering teaches valuable problem-solving skills. Engineers often face complex challenges that require innovative solutions. By learning to analyze problems, develop hypotheses, and test solutions, mechanical engineers become adept at overcoming obstacles and improving systems. Consider a simply supported beam subjected to a uniform load. The maximum bending stress, denoted as sigma, in the beam can be calculated using the formula sigma equals m times c divided by I. Here, m is the maximum moment, c is the distance from the neutral axis to the outermost fiber, and I is the moment of inertia of the beam's cross-section. This formula helps engineers ensure that beams can withstand applied loads without failing. Mechanical engineering fosters innovation and creativity. Engineers are constantly developing new technologies and improving existing ones. From designing more efficient engines to creating advanced robotics, mechanical engineers drive progress and contribute to technological advancements. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a revolutionary technology that allows engineers to create complex parts layer by layer. Mechanical engineers use 3D printing to prototype designs quickly, test new ideas, and produce custom components. This technology has applications in aerospace, healthcare, automotive, and many other industries. Learning mechanical engineering provides a strong foundation in critical thinking, problem solving, and innovation. It offers diverse career opportunities and the chance to make a significant impact on various industries and everyday life. As you embark on your journey as a mechanical engineering student, remember that the skills and knowledge you gain will be valuable assets in your future career.